Hello everyone, you are highly welcome. In today's tutorial, we are going to be solving this beautiful and nice equation. Okay, if your hand is not strong in solving mathematics, all right, so you cannot get it. I'm here to teach you how to get the solution to get the value of x in these beautiful equations. I would like you to stay focused and see what we're going to do. If you can solve it, kindly put it in the comment section so other people can learn from you. Now here we have x equals root x to the power of root x. Now, firstly, recall that if you have roots of a from the law of indices, this will give us what? This will give us a to the power of 1 over 2. All right, so I want you to recall that. All right, I want you to take note of that. Therefore, since we have this, we can write this also as, we can have this to be x equals, now x is going to be, we have what? We have x to the power of 1 over 2. This square root has turned to this. Then put the parentheses, and we have also, we have root what? Root x. So now you can see that this 1 over 2 is a power inside the parentheses, and we have root x, another power outside the parentheses. From the law of indices also, when you have something like a to the power of b, or then to the power of c, this will actually be a. This power we have to multiply each other. So we have that. The same thing we are going to do. This 1 over 2 will multiply the root x. Are you following? All right. From there, we're going to have x to be equals x 1 over 2. We multiply this, we're going to have root x all over 2. Do you understand? So from there, the next thing we're going to do from here. Now, some of you made mistake, and I've been saying this several times, but some of you won't listen. But I will keep saying this. I have x here, I have x here. Doesn't mean because they are the same, so we should cancel them out. If we cancel them out, you're going to miss a solution. All right. So now let's see. What we're going to do is to introduce logarithm. You can introduce logarithm with base 10. You can introduce lim. Let me introduce logarithm with base 10. Log x equals log x to the power of root x all over 2. And you know that whenever you have logarithm here, we can have this to be log x. We transpose this. Before that, you can see this root x, we have to come down, root x, all right, all over 2, and multiply log x like this. Are you getting now? So the next thing we're going to do, let's transpose this to this left hand side. We're going to have log x, then minus root x all over 2 log x, then equal 0. It's getting interesting, right? You have log s here, you have log s here, so we don't need to cancel log s out because you fail it. All right, here now what we need to do is that we factorize log x, then inside here log s divided by log s, you can see we're going to have 1 minus this one, that is everything here, divided by log s, we're going to have root x all over 2, then equal what? Equal 0. Now from here we have 0 form equation, so where you can equate log x to be equal 0, or we have 1 minus root x all over 2 equal 0. Are you following? Now the next thing we're going to do is that let's try to solve this so we can get the value of x here. Now if you want to write, the left hand side is in logarithm form and the right hand side is 0. How can we write this right hand side in a logarithm form? And that thing that can give, that means the arguments we can plug into logarithm that we give our result to be 0 is when you have log of 1. So therefore you can have log x equals log of 1 like this. All right, from there it shows that we're going to have x to be equals 1. We have one of the solution to be 1, and that is that one that you're going to miss if you do the cancellation from the beginning. All right, let's see how we can solve this second case. That means the case 2. The case 2 here, let me bring it up here. We have 1 minus root x all over 2 equals 0. What we need to do is to what? Is to take this to this side. Sorry, we have root x all over 2 equals what? Equals 1. All right, so if you do that, from here, let's try to do collecting. Let's try to multiply both sides by 2. Because of this, we want to clear this fraction. This we cancel this, we have root x equals 1 times 2, we have 2. All right, so from there, what do? We try to square the both side. You square the both side from here, this we cancel this. We have x to be 2 raised to power 2, we have 4. We have another solution to be 4. Now quickly, let's see how we can check whether our result is right or not. Check for case 1, for x equals 1, let's put, if you put 1 here, then root of 1, root of 1, root of 1. You see that we have 1 equals, root of 1 is 1, then we have 1. 1 to the power of 1 will give us 1 equals 1, which means this satisfied. Now let's check for the second one for 4. So we can have what? X. When x equals 4, we have 4 equals the root of 4, root 4. 4 equals, square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 4 here is 2. Then 2 raised to power 2, we can see we have what? We have 4. So which shows that this is also right. And that's the end of the class. As you can see, please and please, I just want you to listen. Don't be among of those that will be condemning what we are doing here. This is a learning space. So let's try to learn this together so that we can be in the same page, right? And even more. All right, and that's going to be the end of the class. If you are just watching our video for the first time, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Hit on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime we upload a new content. Hit on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime we upload new content. You can also follow our Facebook page for more exciting videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.